Hello everyone, it's a brand new year and today I decided to finally create time capsules of things that I will be doing for this year. Joke na bitaw. Gusto na ko ipang-upload ito ng videos kay sige nagreklamo si Google nga puno na daw ang memory. So here, come and join me on this solo hike to Spartan Trail. Woke up kinda late, so also started late for the hike. But no worries kay solo raman, so wala na tayo magpaabot o wala na sa tayo paabuton. Was not able to record from the jump off, but here you seeing most hikers are already on their way back. Sana all pa uli na. This junction, man siya ang pasaka sa celebrated kaayong Starbucks. So grabe ka loose ang soil dire. Maong careful gid ba sa panaog. So from Starbucks, went down directly to the river part of Spartan Trail. Here we get to pass by and hike along other groups of young hikers. Took a quick break sa Kawa, which is a small lagoon where hikers usually take quick dip before heading to the mini waterfalls along the trail. As you can see, ubay gyud ang ga-hike this weekend. So, yeah. Happy Fiesta! Kunya kay maraming action naman ang gutom, so speed up tagamay because we're now heading to the final assault going to Pamutan, which is the exit of this trail. This part is 1 km plus in distance, but the elevation game is, well, gaming yun siya. So, hangos to the max. This is also the part where daghan-daghan pa ang mga kahoy nga nangatumba sa sa Bagyong Odette. So, imagine unsa ni siya ka-obstacle course 2 years ago. Wala mo gawa sa Spartan Trail nga way samad. Na ako'y nakasabay nga young hikers upon exit, and it was quite fun giving them that final push to finally complete the hike. So, there you go. Thank you for joining the solo hike nga daghan ra daig nakasabay nga other hikers. See you next week and bye!